Eligibility and requirements for the seasonal worker program. In today's video update, we'll be discussing Australia's seasonal worker program. The seasonal worker program stream that falls under the Temporary Work International Relations Visa, subclass 403 permits citizens and residents of one of the named Pacific Islands to enter Australia and work temporarily for Australian employers who have been incapable of sourcing local labour. What are the eligibility requirements? Applicants for the seasonal worker program must hold the following: be a citizen of and resident in Fiji, Nauru, Samoa, Papua New Guinea, Kiribati, Timor-Leste, Solomon Islands, Tonga, Vanuatu or Tuvalu. Be invited and sponsored by an authorized temporary activities sponsor. Be approved by the Australian Department of Education, Skills and Employment. Typically be above the age of 21 years. Not have received a refusal or cancellation to a prior Australian visa application. Exemptions may apply. Satisfy the genuine temporary stay obligation and fulfill the health and character requirements. Employers who desire to sponsor applicants must be approved temporary activities sponsors and solely hire employees for qualified industries. The status of an employer as a temporary activities sponsor remains in place for 5 years. Now let's go through the seasonal worker program and Pacific Labour Scheme that falls under the Pacific Australia Labour Mobility. This scheme offers employers access to seasonal labour in industries, for example, the agriculture sector. For more information about PALM, follow the link in the description and comments below. What to know about the visa application? The applicant for this visa must be away from Australia at the time of application and when the decision is made. Please note that no family members can be included on this application. What is the visa duration? This is a temporary visa, and visa bearers may hold a no further stay condition on their visa, which implies that unless are able to waive the requirement of no further stay, they may not be able to prolong their stay in Australia. The visa span could be from 9 months for seasonal work, or for longer-term positions, for between 1 to 3 years in unskilled, low-skilled, and semi-skilled positions. Visa applicants must display a genuine intent to remain in Australia temporarily. What are the conditions? Visa bearers must persist in being employed by their sponsor. This means they cannot work for a different employer in Australia, only perform the work in the industry according to the visa and comply with all other visa conditions and Australian laws. What are the obligations as a sponsor? Employers must have certain obligations, including the following: cooperating with inspectors appointed under the Migration Act 1958, including granting access to premises, producing and delivering documents, and permitting them to review work. Keeping records and providing records and information when asked, and informing the Department of Home Affairs when particular events occur. For example, the visa bearer does not partake in the position, program, or activity the visa was granted for. We have reached the end of today's video update. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.